Hey, what's up? Well, it's the weekend. The other day I posted the video. I'm out here trying to figure out what's going on behind the motor because it doesn't sound like it's inside. It definitely sounds like it's behind. Between the converter and the engine. So I'm afraid to take the intake manifold loose so I can get to those head bolts that where the bell housing is. Knock those loose and get up on the car with the transmission jack. Drop the exhaust, drop the cross member for the transmission, drop the drive shaft. What else? Yeah, I guess undo the bell housing bolts and go from there. But yeah, it's just getting right. But yeah, just wanted to give y'all an update what's going to happen over the weekend, and yeah, about to get it.